Hey class! Welcome to the instructional for the 7th day. This is one of the most fun and most complicated dances. Really, that's why it's so much fun. Okay, at the beginning of this song, we start out with our pointer finger and we take 4 beats across the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do the classic 70s move. Point down, up, down, up, down, up. Then there's a solo, and what the choir does is roll your hands, and we walk 8 beats toward the back. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then on 8, we point with both fingers going out and stretch our leg out. Point, and come back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, point. Then we go the other direction and do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, point. The choir starts singing after that dance section, and we take our hand out, palm facing out like this. We move our hand for 8 beats. Boom, 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 boom. But we do it while we sing. Take a break from all your work. That's appropriate. Take a break from striving. Trust in His sovereignty. That word is sovereignty. It means God is in charge. Find rest for your soul. It's not about a day or following some rules. If God rested, why do I think that I can do it all? Then we do a little move where you put your hands out and then pull like you're pulling the rest of you back to your hands. God blessed the 7th day and made it holy. Switch directions. God blessed the 7th day and stopped to rest. Now this is probably the weirdest dance move. Let's see if I can get my feet in. We put our hand out and step. We weren't made to go and go and go and go. Then we do it to the front. Screen's going dark. We weren't made to go and go and go and go. Parents of littles, don't stress about that. Our K4, K5, first and second, you guys can't get it wrong. They're going to be adorable, even if the technique is not perfect. For the 5th graders, you have to get it perfect. No, I'm just kidding. You know that's all right. Anyway, try your best. You're making a circle with your arm. Go. Woo, woo, woo. As long as you have one hand out and one hand swinging around, you look okay. We were made to go and go and go and go and go and go. Then you do it at the front. One hand out, one hand swinging around. We were made to go and go and go and go. We need rest. Do, do, do. Restoration. Ba, 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 ba. Rest. Restoration. Now we go to the second verse, and we're going to roll and point again, but this time the choir is singing, not a soloist. So we start rolling and we sing, God's gift is the 7th day. God's gift is the freedom to just sit at His feet and rest in His care. Then we grab our arms like we're struggling against something, and we sing, it's letting go of my pride, letting go of thinking I'm the only one who can do things right. It's letting go of my guilt, letting go of believing the world will fall apart if I don't do it tonight. God blessed the seventh day and made it holy. God blessed the seventh day and stopped to rest. We weren't made to go and go and go and go and go and go. We weren't made to go and go and go and go. We need rest. Restoration. Rest. Restoration. We do that again. Rest. Restoration. One more time. Rest. Restoration. Da-da-da. Pow. We end with our hand on our legs or hips and put our finger up in the air.